Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to track the first reply when creating a ticket in Zendesk. Keep in mind that this action is optional. Follow the instruction below only if you want to track the first reply. When you create a ticket from your agent panel, Zendesk sends a notification which does not contain a body of the first reply. Therefore, when a customer opens it in their email client, our app will not track that first reply. All the following replies will be tracked. To send the first reply with the body, you should go to Admin, under Business Rules, choose Triggers. Then click Notify Requester of Received Request. Scroll down to Actions and in Email Body, add Ticket Description under the Notification Body. Then click Save. After that, you will see a notification in the upper right corner. And that's all. From now on, when this trigger sends a first reply from the behalf of your agents, you will know the exact time it was opened as well. Subscribe to our channel for more email tracking tutorials.